Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ICGE Colombo 2020. We will now commence the technical program. I'd now like to invite the chairperson for the first session, Professor Athula Kulathilaka, to chair the session and take over the proceedings.
Thank you. The morning session will have two keynote addresses. First by the Professor Charles Ng from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, and second by the distinguished Professor Buddhiminda Ratna from the University of Technology, Sydney. I will invite the Vice President of the Society and the Director General of the National Building Research Organization, Dr. Asiri Karunawardena, to introduce Professor Ng. Thank you.
The President of the Sri Lankan Geotechnical Society and the Executive Committee members, past presidents, Professor Kulathilaka, session chair of this session, keynote speakers, paper presenters, international and local participants. Introducing the keynote speaker at this third International Conference of Geotechnical Engineering is a great privilege for me. The keynote speaker today is the current president of the International Society for Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering. It is with deep pride and honor that I introduce Professor Charles W. Ng, the keynote speaker of this third International Conference on Geotechnical Engineering organized by the Sri Lankan Geotechnical Engineering Society. Professor Ng is currently the Dean of Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. For Ying Tung Graduate School, CLP Holding Professor of Sustainable and Chair Professor in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. He has earned his PhD from University of Bristol, United Kingdom in 1993. Professor Ng was elected an Overseas Fellow by Churchill College, the University of Cambridge, a Fellow of Royal Academy of Engineering, a Fellow of the Hong Kong Academy of Engineering Science, and Chanyang Scholar. He's also Fellow of the Institute of Civil Engineers of UK, the American Society of Civil Engineers, and Hong Kong Institute of Engineers. At present, he is an Associate Editor of the Canadian Geotechnical Journal. With regard to publication he contributed, Professor Ng has published some 350 SCI journal articles and about 150 conference papers and delivered more than 80 keynote and state-of-the-art reports of 6 continents. Professor Ng is the main author of 3 reference books: A Short Course in Soil Structure Engineering of Deep Foundation, Excavation and Tunnels by Thomas Telford in 2004, Advanced Understood Soil Mechanics and Engineering, and Plant and Soil Interaction by CRC, Press, Taylor and Francis in 2007 and 2019, respectively. Appreciating the contribution made by him, he has received many awards. In 2018, the Hong Kong Institute of Engineers Best Geotechnical Paper Award. In 2017, Relford Premium Prize for Institution of Civil Engineers. The Henry Adams Award from the Institution of Structural Engineers, UK. The first Tan Sung Wen Award from South Asian Geotechnical Society. The R.M. Quigley Award from the Canadian Geotechnical Society 3 times for his 3 best papers published in 2007, 2012, and 2016. He was conferred the Mao Shan Youth Award by the Chinese Institute of Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering for his significant contribution in geotechnical engineering for the years. The lecture delivered by him in 2017, the Huang Weng Lecture, is recognized as the most distinguished lecture in geotechnical engineering in China. Professor Ng is a world authority on unsaturated soil mechanics, slope stability, and sustainability. I certainly believe that the conference will bear fruitful result from the keynote, which will focus on unsaturated soil mechanics and bioengineered soil slope with focus on hydrological effect. Ladies and gentlemen, with the great pleasure, I would like to invite Professor Charles Ng to deliver the keynote lecture on 3rd International Conference of Geotechnical Engineering organized by the Sri Lankan Geotechnical Society.